What if I told you, your ice cream maker might be robbing you of that creamy, dreamy texture with icy crystals and uneven churning? We tested 15 top models, freezing everything from classic vanilla to dairy-free sorbets, and the results will shock dessert lovers. One popular machine left chunks of ice, while our number 3 delivered silky smooth, professionally creamy results every time. If you want homemade ice cream that rivals the pros, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. The Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker is a must-have for anyone who loves frozen desserts or drinks. With its heavy-duty motor, this brushed stainless steel machine can make frozen treats in as little as 20 minutes. The large ingredient spout makes it easy to add your favorite mix-ins, and the retractable cord storage keeps your countertops clutter-free. The machine comes with a replacement lid, a double-insulated freezer bowl that holds up to 2 quarts of frozen dessert, a paddle, instructions, and a recipe book. Make sure your freezer is set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure proper freezing of all foods, and consult the user manual for how to use the product. Plus, with a limited 3-year warranty, you can trust in the quality of this BPA-free machine. Number 2. Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja Creami Ice Cream Maker is a versatile, compact appliance that can create a wide variety of frozen treats, from indulgent gelato to light ice cream, sorbet, smoothie bowls, and more. Its easy-to-use functionality and customizable mix-ins make it fun for all ages, and its Creamify technology produces creamy frozen treats in minutes. With 7 one-touch programs, it can create the perfect combination of speed, pressure, and time for any recipe. The containers, lids, and paddle are dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Number 3. Ninja Creami Deluxe Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja Creami Deluxe is a versatile ice cream maker that can also make sorbet, gelato, slushies, Italian ice, frozen drinks, creamiccinos, and more. With its 11 programs and advanced Creamify technology, it can finely shave and transform ice particles into delicious treats. The dual-drive motors apply downward pressure and spin the professional creamerizer paddle, making it easy to create customizable treats with different mix-ins. The Creami Deluxe pints hold 50% more ice cream than the original Ninja Creami, making it perfect for families. It's also easy to clean, with all parts being top-rack dishwasher safe. Number 4. Cuisinart 1.5-quart Ice Cream Maker. The Cuisinart ICE 21P1 frozen yogurt, ice cream, and sorbet maker features a new patent-pending mixing paddle that can make frozen treats in 20 minutes or less. Its double-insulated freezer bowl eliminates the need for ice and can make up to 1.5 quarts of your favorite ice cream or frozen yogurt. The machine is easy to use with its transparent lid and large spout that makes adding ingredients simple and mess-free. Number 5. Dash Mug Ice Cream Maker Machine. The Dash Ice Cream Maker is a versatile machine that allows you to make single servings of ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and frozen yogurt in just 20 minutes. You can personalize your treats by adding your favorite ingredients through the built-in chute, creating a unique homemade ice cream experience. Its innovative design doubles as a freezable mug, making it convenient to enjoy your frozen treats. The machine is also space-saving, as all accessories can be detached and neatly stored inside the mug, perfect for kitchens with limited space. So, which ice cream maker will you use to become the dessert hero? Scoop your thoughts into the comments. If this game-changing review upgraded your treats, churn that like button, it helps us test more. Want more sweet tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing gelato makers. All our top picks are linked below. Stay sweet!